because of the pandemic and the way we had to go with the distance learning and the virtual learning, we decided on creating student kits for them. So we're gonna have a designated day to have the students come in and pick up curbside.
This is gonna help us social distance, and since we're virtual teaching at the very beginning, we don't want our students to miss out, even with any supplies that they may need. So that way they can start the year strong and start it at home. They are gonna have the kits, they're gonna have a list, a mannequin stand. Do you have any questions for me? Basically anything that they would need to complete their tests at the end of the year.
It makes me feel comfortable that at least they're giving us things to do hands-on, like learning on our own. It's just better for us to have our stuff with us at home and being safe.
Okay, if you guys have any questions, you guys can ask me.
The lessons are different because we're not actually there in person. We're on Zoom with her, and if we have any questions, we just show her our mannequin and she will help us with whatever we need.
If they only know the theory part, yet they don't know the hands-on, the practical portion, they won't be able to pass their state exam. So we need them to be fully engaged in the entire field of cosmetology so that they can be prepared for licensure.